Which tennis ball machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 machines that can seriously help your game. Product number 1, Lobster Sports Elite 1. Let's start with the Lobster Sports Elite 1. This one caught my eye right away with its adjustable ball speed and spin control. At $1,399, it's a solid investment for serious players looking to enhance their practice. If you want a machine that adapts to your skill level and simulates game-like conditions, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why the Elite 1 stands out. With adjustable ball speeds from 10 to 80 miles per hour, you can practice gentle volleys or crank it up for high-speed ground strokes. The horizontal oscillation feature allows you to work on your forehand and backhand from various court positions, which is vital for improving your game. And the electronic elevation control means you can practice lobs and smashes with ease. Perfect for overhead shots. The battery lasts about 4 to 6 hours, so it's great for extended practice. Honestly, some users pointed out that the setup can be a bit tricky, especially for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get past that learning curve, the performance is truly rewarding. If you're serious about your tennis, this machine can be a game changer. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced player looking for targeted training. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something simpler. Overall, it's a worthy investment for enhancing your skills. Now, if the price tag on the Elite 1 made you hesitate, the next one might just be the more budget-friendly option you're looking for. Product number 2, SpinShot Pro. Next up is the SpinShot Pro. Priced at $1,049, this machine is designed for easy use, making it a favorite among players of all ages. If you want a reliable machine that won't overwhelm you with complicated settings, you should check this one out. The SpinShot Pro features knob-controlled settings, which means you can easily adjust the speed and spin without diving into a manual. It's also made of durable materials, unlike many plastic alternatives, giving it a solid feel. What's great is that it offers flexible power options, allowing you to run it on battery or plugged in, which is a must for outdoor practice. Users have rated it highly for its straightforward setup and consistent performance. However, a few reviews mention that it can struggle with ball feeding consistency over time. I'll be real with you. This can happen if the machine isn't regularly maintained. But for most users, the trade-off for simplicity and reliability is worth it. This is perfect for casual players or families looking to practice together. Skip this if you're a pro aiming for the most advanced features. Value-wise, it delivers solid performance for its price. Alright, that was a strong choice. But if you're looking for something that pushes the limits even further, let's move on to the next option. Product number 3, SpinShot Player Plus 2. Now, we have the SpinShot Player Plus 2 at $1,899. This model is on the higher end, but it's packed with features that serious players will appreciate. If you're looking for a machine that can adapt to your evolving skills, this is definitely worth considering. The Plus 2 allows you to program each shot using your phone, adjusting speed, spin, height, and angle. It even has a ball capacity of over 120 balls, meaning you can practice longer without constant refills. The oscillation can be customized easily, simulating real match scenarios. This is huge for players who want to work on specific shots or strategies. With a rating of 4.2 stars, it's clear that users are impressed with its performance and versatility. That said, some users found the app connectivity a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing. If you're not tech-savvy, this might be a bit frustrating. But for those willing to invest the time, the benefits are substantial. This is perfect for players who want a comprehensive training tool that grows with them. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup without the tech features. For its price, you're getting a lot of advanced capabilities. Now, if the tech side isn't your thing, the next product is refreshingly straightforward but still effective. Product number 4, Lobster Sports Elite 2. Next on the list is the Lobster Sports Elite 2. Priced at $1,799, it's a step up from the Elite 1 and offers some impressive features. If you're serious about your training and want a machine that can deliver varied shot types, this might be the one for you. The Elite 2 also has adjustable ball speeds from 10 to 80 miles per hour, but what sets it apart is its triple oscillation feature. This means you can practice with balls coming at you from all angles, left, right, deep, or short. This variety helps simulate real match conditions, which is fantastic for improving your game. And like the Elite One, it's lightweight and portable, which is a big plus for those who need to transport it. However, a few users have mentioned that the remote control can be a little tricky to navigate. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the flexibility it offers in practice is worth a minor hassle. This is perfect for players who want to enhance their skills with realistic training scenarios. Skip this if you're looking for something that's easy to set up and use right out of the box. For serious players, it offers great value. Alright, that was a powerful option, but if you're looking for something super portable with unique capabilities, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Puzen PT Smart. Last but not least, we have the Puzen PT Smart at $1,198. This machine is relatively new on the market and comes with some innovative features. If you want a user-friendly machine that adapts to different skill levels, definitely give this one a look. What really impressed me is the app control that allows you to customize your training with 12 built-in modes. This means you can start from basic levels and progress to advanced drills, perfectly suited for beginners and pros alike. It has a 28-point placement feature that helps you work on precision and anticipation, which is crucial for match play. Plus, it's lightweight at just 32.6 pounds, making it super portable. A few users did mention that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. But honestly, the training flexibility you gain from it can outweigh those minor hiccups, especially if you're looking to improve consistently. This is perfect for players who want a versatile machine that can grow with their skills. Skip this if you prefer traditional setups without tech involvement. For its price, it offers a lot of training options that can really help you step up your game. So there you have it. From the adjustable capabilities of the Lobster Sports Elite One to the innovative tech in the Puzen PT Smart, each of these machines offers something unique. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine advanced skills, one of these options should fit your needs perfectly.